Most people think cloud computing simply means storing files online. That's too basic. In information systems, cloud computing means using internet-based platforms to store data, run software, manage infrastructure, connect teams, and support business operations without depending only on local servers or office computers. In simple words, cloud computing allows a business to access its systems from anywhere, scale faster, and reduce the burden of managing everything physically. Think about a small restaurant chain. In the old model, each branch might keep its own computer, local files, POS records, inventory sheets, and sales reports. If the owner wants to check performance, they may need someone to send files manually. If one computer crashes, data may be lost. If a new branch opens, the setup becomes more complicated. But with cloud-based information systems, every branch can connect to the same platform. Orders, sales, inventory, customer data, staff records, supplier invoices, and reports can all update in real time. The owner can open a dashboard from a laptop or phone and see what is happening across all branches. That is the real power of cloud computing and information systems. It makes business information accessible, connected, and scalable. In traditional systems, companies had to buy physical servers, maintain hardware, install software manually, manage backups, and hire technical teams to keep everything running. That was expensive and slow. Cloud computing changed this model. Now businesses can use services like cloud storage, cloud databases, cloud ERP, cloud CRM, cloud accounting, cloud analytics, and cloud security tools. Instead of owning all the infrastructure, they can rent what they need and increase or decrease usage as the business grows. This is why cloud computing became so important for modern information systems. A CRM system can run in the cloud, an ERP system can run in the cloud, a database can run in the cloud, a BI dashboard can run in the cloud, a customer support system can run in the cloud, an e-commerce platform can run in the cloud. So cloud computing is not just one separate topic. It is the foundation that allows many modern information systems to work faster and more flexibly. There are 3 common cloud service models. The first is software as a service, or SaaS. This means using software through the internet without installing and managing everything yourself. Examples include tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, Shopify, and many cloud-based POS or accounting systems. The second is platform as a service, or PaaS. This is mainly for developers and companies that want to build applications without managing all the underlying infrastructure. The third is infrastructure as a service, or IaaS. This gives businesses access to virtual servers, storage, networking, and computing power through providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. But here's the catch. Cloud computing is powerful, but it is not automatically better for every situation. If the internet goes down, cloud access can be affected. If security is weak, sensitive data can be exposed. If costs are not monitored, cloud bills can grow quickly. If the provider has an outage, business operations may suffer. If data ownership is unclear, the company can face legal and compliance problems. That is why cloud computing must be managed properly. A business should not move to the cloud just because it sounds modern. It should ask, what problem are we solving? Which systems should move to the cloud? How will we protect the data? Who controls access? What happens if the service goes down? How much will it cost as we scale? This is where cloud becomes part of information systems strategy, not just IT infrastructure. Because cloud does not only change where data is stored, it changes how the business operates. It allows remote work. It connects multiple locations. It supports real-time reporting. It improves collaboration. It enables faster software updates. It helps businesses scale without buying heavy infrastructure up front. And today, cloud computing is also deeply connected with AI. Many AI tools, machine learning models, analytics platforms, and automation systems run on cloud infrastructure. Without cloud computing, many companies would not be able to use advanced AI at scale. But again, cloud is not magic. A messy business with unclear processes will not become efficient just because it moves to the cloud. Bad data in a local system is still bad data in a cloud system. Poor access control in an office system can become even more dangerous in a cloud system. That is the brutal truth. Cloud computing gives flexibility and power, but it also demands discipline. At the Learning Studio, the goal is simple: to understand cloud computing as a key layer of modern information systems. Because modern businesses are no longer limited by one office, one server, or one machine. They are connected through cloud-based systems that allow information to move faster, teams to work smarter, and decisions to happen in real time. And the businesses that use the cloud wisely do not just store data online. They build systems that can grow, adapt, and compete in a digital world.